My name's Alex from Cleaners Talk. In today's video, we're gonna find solutions if your Swiffer WetJet Mop is not spraying. First thing I want you to know is that this button right here is what sprays out on these nozzles out here in the front. First thing we're gonna do is to make sure that there's cleaning solution. Go ahead and release the cleaning solution. Make sure that you have cleaning solution inside the bottle. If that is checked, go ahead and press it all the way in. Make sure it's tightly secured to make sure that the liquid can spray. The next thing you can do is go ahead and check the batteries. What you do is go ahead and slide this out. Here are the batteries. Make sure they're in there correctly. These are AA batteries. If you have to replace them, go ahead and replace them. Once that's done, go ahead and insert it back in. The next thing you can do is go ahead and hold the button down. Sometimes it takes a while for the cleaning solution to get there. So as long as you hold the button down, you will get something coming out. The next thing you can do is go ahead and try to clean these nozzles out here in the front, maybe with a paper clip. Just kind of clean them out, make sure everything's clear in there so the solution can spray out. The last thing you can do is go ahead and call Swiffer and ask them if there's a solution to your spraying problems. It could be that you have a defect sprayer or you have a defective mop. They'll be able to help you to find a solution for that.